Hello student, let us see the haloform test or the iodoform test student. The iodoform test actually known in the form of the haloform. Okay student. So first of all, this test is given by what student, that you need to know. The group which is containing this group students, methyl keto group. This is what is called student methyl keto group. This is compulsory required student. This will give positive. Or it is having what student? CHOH CH3. This is also called methyl hydroxy group. Methyl hydroxy group. Okay, hydroxy group. So these groups are there, they will give the positive haloform test student. And second one, here is note is there student, do not affect, it is not affecting what student? Do not affect carbon carbon double bond. It is double bond, this is not going to affect. Okay, now these are the three point you need to keep. Now the major point which we have to understand student, reagent. Reagent, in case of reagent, many students are very much confused student. It is not required to write the balance equation. Okay, in the exam it is not required to write the balance equation. So any reagent you can use student, either you use I2 plus NaOH, this is, otherwise you can use student NaOI, this is called sodium hypohalite, sodium hypohalite, hypohalite. Halite means here in case of I it will be iodide. Either you can use student, in case of valence equation, 4I2 plus 6 NaOH, 6 NaOH. What is the fourth point which we need to consider student? Product. What is the product here? Methyl keto group, whatever the methyl keto group. Okay, keto group. So in methyl keto group, methyl will be converted into what student? CHI3, and CHI3 will be LOPPT, LOPPT. Confirm, what student? Confirm, what confirm? Ketonic group, ketonic group. Either you say ketonic group, or that is it is confirming, that is it is having the methyl keto group. Now let us try to solve the problem. Okay, so what we can take student, here we are having the first of all, it is the R, we are having the C double bond O, and here is CH3. So you treat with what student? I2 plus NaOH, I2 plus NaOH, or you can take student NaOI according to NCERT. So what the product you are going to get student in this case? So this group student, since it is having the methyl keto group, it will be oxidized. So CH3 will be converted into CHI3. What else student? This group what we are having, it will be RCOONA. This is RCOONA. This is the LOPPT student, LOPPT confirms the this methyl keto group. Okay, now the next one you see student, from the NCERT I am taking this one, NCERT, whatever they have given. So this is the CH3, C, here is hydrogen, this is double bond C. Exactly, this is the NCERT book student, nothing I am doing, no change I am doing here. In this compound, it does not affect the carbon carbon double bond, it will be as it is, there is no change will come. But this is the methyl keto group student. So you treat like that. How can you treat student? Either you treat I2 plus NaOH, or you can take student NaOI. So see the product student, CH3, this is C, here will be H, double bond will be as it is student, here is CH3, this is COONA plus CHI3. This is the yellow PPT will be there student, wherever PPT is there we write the down arrow. So this is what. Now let us see the another one, aldehyde. This is given by aldehyde also, but depending it should have what student, methyl keto group. This is, now see this compound, although this is what is CH3 CHO. Okay, so unlike the Fehling and Tollens test student, it is not like that. Fehling and Tollens test is given by aldehyde only, but it is given by aldehyde and ketone both. Now you treat student I2 plus NaOH, I2 plus NaOH. Now, or you can take student NaOI. Now, what will be there student? This group is going to convert into what? CHI3, yellow PPT, plus this will be HCOONA. This is right student. This one is there. Next one student, another things we are going to check out. Suppose in case of the alcohol, we are having CH3, CH2 and OH. Little bit you modified this one student, CH3, you can write like CH2 and here is OH. So this is the what group is there, this one student, this group is methyl hydroxy group, yes or no? This is also given by the same student, I2 plus NaOH. So you are treating with I2 plus NaOH, so same product will be RCOONA and not R, here is no R is there actually. Here you see student this one, here it will be the HCOONA because only one carbon left na student, this one, and here is CH3 will be converted into CHI3, this is yellow PPT, this one. Acha student, if you are taking this one CH3 and OH, this will not give student, this will not give. If you are treating with I2 plus NaOH, okay, so no reaction student, no reaction because there is no methyl hydroxy group, this will not give. Okay, now let us move out the some more of the problem student that you may be looking for. Here you see, if I will take this one student, CH3 C double bond O and this is CH3 and you are treating with the I2 plus NaOH. Up dear student, if you see this reaction, this is methyl keto group. So this methyl group will be converted into CHI3. What is left student? This two carbon is CH3 COONA. This is O. Now the next one student, if you are talking about another one, CH3 CH2 C double bond O and H and you are treating with I2 plus NaOH. I2 plus NaOH. Where is this group student? No methyl group, this is not methyl group. So this is the ethyl keto group, ethyl keto, this is what? Ethyl keto. Since it is ethyl keto, so no reaction. It should be what student? Methyl keto group, right? It is required to methyl keto group is required. Suppose we are having H C double bond O and this is H and you are treating with the I2 plus NaOH. So it is also no methyl keto group, here is no, is a hydrogen keto group is there, so it is also no reaction. Now here you see student, this compound you can take, this one C double bond O, this one is, this is phenyl keto group student, I2 plus NaOH, so this is also no reaction, this is no reaction. Now another one C student, acetophenone I am taking student, C double bond O and this is CH3, this is what student? I2 plus NaOH. So the I2 plus NaOH, here what it will going to give student? I2 plus NaOH, this is having what? Methyl keto group. So this is going to convert into CHI3. What is left out student? This group student you see COONA. This will give student. So this is LOPPT. Now if you take another one example student, suppose I am taking this one, no, phenyl keto group student, will it give student? This one, there is no, here is if you are taking I2 plus NaOH or you can say NaOI, so it is not going to give no reaction student because if you see there is no methyl keto group, so it is not going to give the reaction student, right? So where the this will be used student, है ना, use of iodoform test, where you can use this test student. First one, A. So suppose you have to separate HCHO and CH3CHO. So it is having what student? Methyl keto group na, CH3 C double bond O and H. So if you see this student, what is this? Methyl keto. So it will give positive, but it will not give, because it is not having na methyl keto group. Where is methyl keto? It is hydrogen keto. So it will not give, this will give positive. Next one student. Suppose we are having CH3 C double bond O and CH3, and this question is asked student how to distinguish. This is the second number. So here is C double bond O, here is what is there student, this is. So here is student, in this case this is the methyl keto group, it will give positive student, but it is not give, it will negative, right? Now another reaction you see is third one, third problem. If the question is CH3 C double bond O and H, another is what is there student, CH3 CH2 C double bond O and H. So dear student, you see this is what is there, methyl keto group, so it will give positive, and it is ethyl student, ethyl keto group, negative. Okay, next one is student, suppose we are having CH3 CH2 OH and another is there CH3 OH. So this will not give, this will give student. Next one. So these are the probable problems are there student, right? I hope you will be able to understand student. Is there, I am seeking any other problem which I can get student? One more problem can be asked student. What is there? Like the question can be CH3CHO and it can be CH3CH2 C double bond O, here is CH2 and CH3. So this is the ethyl keto group student, it is having no reaction, and this is the methyl keto group. You can write like that, CH3 C double bond O and H. So this will give, this is positive and this will not give student, right? So here this is there. Now if I am having this question student, CH3 CH and OH, and here this group is there student, this one. So here is what is there student, this is the methyl hydroxy group, it will give student, it is going to give. Okay, but if it is if it is like that student, this one CH2OH, this is not the methyl group na, it will not give student, this is not going to give. Okay, so this is all about the answer student. There are many more problem, but you will be able to solve this problem. Thank you very much for watching students.